Yeah, thank you. Dadagdagan ko lang yung sinabi ni General Pagdilaw. Tama yung sinabi niya. But in addition to that, I think it's very, very important for us to understand that whether it's three months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, we will never eliminate crime, but we can put it under control. That's why ang sinasabi ko kanina, yung programa ni Digong Duterte, umpisahan niya yung house cleaning muna ng Philippine National Police. Kasi pag hindi natin nililis yan ng mga corrupt at saka yung mga kasama sa mga drug syndicates and other criminal syndicates, eh walang maniniwala sa gobyerno. Hindi sila matatakot sa agents of the law at sa criminal justice system. So yung first 3 to 6 months is very, very important, yung shock treatment that's needed to clean up government so that the criminals will be very, very careful and will keep their heads down. Ganun na rin sa other agencies of government within the criminal justice system. Kasi hindi lang yung pulis ang may problema. Yung prosecutors, yung judges, yung mga jails, yung mga bilangguan. Eh, tingnan lang natin yung nangyayari sa Muntinlupa. Hanggang ngayon, yung mga drug lords continue to operate there. Hindi makontrol nitong gobyerno. So, we have to put the right person, the right leader in place, yung presidente that has the political will and the leadership to get things done, so he can appoint the right people also to get things done for him.
Okay. Congressman Pagdilaw?
Yes, I quite agree, and being reinforced by Secretary Alunan, it will truly, give credit, to that because he was my boss formerly. Now, peace and order is really a function of an effective criminal justice system. There are 5 pillars. No? First, community. That's why I said earlier that we need to get the community involved. No? So we need their participation. And in the community, the barangay leaders are there to lead. So kinakailangan natin yung mga tanod, most especially, to serve as professional help. No? So ako, I'm thinking to push a legislation that will empower them more, by ensuring that they become regular employees in the barangay so that they will be trained and they will be high moral to be able to deliver the best service. No? And then the second pillar is the law enforcement. We need to modernize them. We need to ensure that yung pong kanilang pagtugon sa mga hamon ng panahon, more violent crimes, more sophisticated criminals, ay kinakailangan matugunan rin sa isang makabago at maayos na serbisyo mula sa isang modern na law enforcement agency like the PNP. Now, the third and fourth pillar is the prosecution and the judiciary. No? Alam naman natin dyan, napakabagal. 7 years na yung massacre, sa Mindanao, hindi pa natatapos. So we need to speed up the justice system. And then last, yung pong correctional. Doon po sa correctional, kailangang baguhin kasi maging sa loob, nandoon pa rin yung paggawa ng crime. Thank you.
Yes. General